Dear student, welcome to another video home school. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is as you wish with full page color. So look at the board. Now I will show you how to draw the. If you want you can draw by yourself, but today I will give you a hints. Okay, first give a far village. And remember this, imagine this one is your copy, won't use any kinds of box on your copy. First give the far village like this and give a land and draw 2 palm tree. One and 2. And erase some irrelevant lines and give the leaves. Okay, and give another land. First draw a house. And the rest of the space you will draw the water and 2 swan. 2 heron. Give some cast grass. Look, now draw the cast grass and then draw 2 heron. It's very easy. Again draw here another. Look, I give the box big because you know that the heron's leg is very long, and this one is water. So my dear student, now I will brief you the color. What type of color I have used on your drawing. And the color is very important. When I will brief, please hear very important attentively. Look at this. Every color is very easy, but look at this cast grass. I just left a lot of space white. And give here purple color and here purple color also, and this heron also I have left white. Just use on the corner the brown color and blue color. Here I have also used and the most deep blue color, and here I have used purple color also purple, and in the beak I have used orange color, and on the sky I have used here first I have used deep color and then the light blue. Here I have also used deep blue and here deep blue and give some light blue and mention the wave like deep blue. And here I have used grass and draw the grass already you watch, and remember this one is very easy. And now I will say you how to draw the palm tree. I have used here the deep brown color and black color also. Here I have used on the lower portion I have used, and that means the lower leaf I have used deep green, and here I have used light green. You also do this. And this tree I have used first yellow, lemon yellow or lemon green, and then deep green, and for the most deep I have used here deep yellow, deep blue color. Here I have used some banana tree. If you want you can draw, and if you don't want you don't draw. You won't draw. This and the haystack I have used deep yellow and the brown color, and on the house I have used here also deep yellow and brown color. Every time you will remember this, the house roof will must the light color because sun's lights reflects on the house roof. So remember this very carefully. House roofs always light color, and this one is also light color. And remember very carefully, you must color this big space, that means the sky and the river first, and then you will color the swan, and then you will color the heron, and finally you draw again by the pencil. Then your swan will look good. So my dear student, this one is your HW also, HW number 6. Practice at your home more and more time and submit at your school every Saturday. No more today. Thank you.